to understand, especially the guys that want to do startups, is most of the time the pitching or the presentation will be not on the stage. It will be in person or online to the investors, because there is more chance that you will get the investment in those business settings rather than just on the stage or in Shark Tank, you know. So firstly, having great public speaking is good, but at the same time, it's not that you always have to do public speaking when it comes to raising fund. So luckily I have a few opportunities last year to present and pitch for my company. I had a few tips also after winning and also not winning in a few competitions. The very first thing before you go into the stage or before you pitch is to make sure that you know your stuff, everything, every number, every technical stuff you need to know. You cannot say, oh, I'm in operations, I cannot talk about technical stuff. Let me talk to my engineers, or if in a state, then it's quite awkward. So firstly, you need to make sure that you know your stuff inside out, everything, every single detail. The second, so that also you can be confident. You will not afraid, oh my God, what people is gonna ask. I hope that they will not ask these questions. So if you're thinking about some question that you really don't want people to ask, then make sure you have that answer.